What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela, and today we're going to be learning animal signs. Okay, first one is animal. So your hand should be like this. I don't know if you can see it. Animal, animal, animal. If I don't cover all the animals that you guys like, comment down below which ones you would like to see. Okay, so first one is dog. The full sign is like hitting on your leg and going up, but because not everyone can do that fluidly in a sentence, I've seen it just go into just like a snap kind of thing. And if you can't snap, I guess do your best. Okay, cat, 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 and then bird. Bird. I think this is a cute sign. There's a lot of other animal signs. Just comment down below which one